So I've just made my IconXs sound better than what they do coming standard out the box. Let me show you how I've done it. Hi guys, Omar here with another one, and I apologize about my sound. I have a bit of a cold, but I've just made my IconXs sound better than what they did when they came out the box. So the IconXs are quite unique in how they're designed and all that kind of stuff. But one of the unique things when you pair them up with a Samsung phone, obviously being a Samsung product, is that they work extremely well. Not only that, is that it gives you extra features that you can use with these. Now with these, you can still use something called adapt sound, where it lets you listen to certain beeps and certain frequency of sound to determine how your hearing is, and based on that it then tailors the sound based on your own hearing, and it makes the sound that much better. So for example, if you're hard of hearing, or maybe you don't know that you're hard of hearing, or maybe you think that you can hear perfectly fine, but there's certain things in a music track that you don't hear. Of course you wouldn't know, because you know, when do you ever listen to a track and compare and contrast the different sounds that you can hear? But when you go through this process with adapt sound, it enables you to truly set up your earphones. So you add that extra bit of sort of personalization, where you've adapted the earphones to your own hearing. So let me show you how I've done that. Okay, so once you're in the phone, you go into the settings menu, and then you go into sounds and vibrations. You go all the way down and you go into sound quality and effects. It's a little bit hidden, this setting. And then once you're in that, you go through and you go down into adapt sound. Once you've gone into the adapt sound, obviously you go through this process where you select what age you are. So this also depends on, you know, what age you are. Your hearing might, I mean, over 60s, the hearing might not be as good as under 30s. So unfortunately, I'm in this bracket here. So once you've selected, you can add a personalized sound profile. So what happens here is that it listens. You essentially put your earphones in and you listen to different tones and stuff. So see, now it's playing a tone. It's a beep, 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 beep. And it's basically saying, can you hear it? Yes, I can. And it's more of a sharper tone now, so I can definitely hear that. And then you go through this whole process. So it's a quite lengthy process. Go through the left and the right. And then once you go through all of that, you can apply this sound profile to music, videos, things like that. Whenever you're watching a video, it's not just for music, and it just helps you to basically hear everything in the sound, customize it a little bit more than what someone would normally do, and get the full benefit out of your phone and indeed your earphones. Hey guys, so that was just a quick look at how to use adapt sound with the IconXs. This does work with other earphones, whether they be wireless or not. Hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.